Yeah, I think I was slow in realizing his general status in literature. Uh, for example, I now am aware, for example, that if you sort of want to make an assessment of his stature, position, and so on, one reasonable thing to do, since there are courses in colleges and universities on Yiddish literature and so on, is to see what they do. And, when you find that you go to the best colleges there are, like Harvard and Yale and Berkeley, and you find that the people who teach the top comparative literature and Yiddish courses at these top schools all take the trouble to rate Moyshe-Leyb as the unique, greatest poet, the Yiddish poet there is. It takes you aback. I knew he was good and recognized by everybody, but Ruth Weiss writes a book about him, and Bloom is always saying, he's the best, and that's Yale, and so you get wind of it. But that took me by surprise that he should be so uniformly recognized by the ones you trust most to make evaluations.